So we're on day 6 on the Bird Hemp Oil, and I mixed it in their fruit seed this time. And I missed 2 days. I don't want to give it to him every day, so it's going to be every 2 days. So I did it today in the morning. I gave him 3 drops, and they seem pretty chilled, you know. They're grinding their beaks, which means in parakeet lingo that they're relaxed. So I think it's working, guys. They're really, really, laid back. That's what it's supposed to do, relax them. Take away their anxiety during their molting. And just make them feel good, but just better.